In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube search not working on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes that we can try. So I'm going to go through the most common fixes first. So first fix is to go ahead and refresh your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, so go ahead and click on Control and F5 at the same time, and that's going to refresh your page browser. Next fix is to go ahead and open up YouTube in incognito mode. So to do this, click on the three dots, click on new incognito window, go ahead and click on the YouTube and then try searching in YouTube there. Now if it works there, your browsing settings or extensions are the issue. So let's go to the next fix. So from here we want to go ahead and click onto our extensions and then go ahead and click on manage extensions. And now what I suggest is disabling all your extensions and then retrying search again. And now if search works, come back to extensions and then enable these one by one to see which extension is the culprit. Now next fix is to go ahead and clear your browser cache. So to do this, click on the three dots, click into settings. Once you're inside of settings, we want to look for privacy and security. To the right, click on delete browsing data, so delete history, cookies, cache and more. Now just have cookies and other site data and cache image and files, and now you want to go ahead and click on more and click on all time and click on delete data. Now if we've got any VPNs running in the background, or VPN ad blockers, anything, or script blockers, anything along those lines, you want to go ahead and turn those extensions or those VPNs off and then refresh YouTube. Do a hard refresh by Control F5 again and then try using search. Now we can always try YouTube on a different browser. So I'm on Google Chrome, I can go ahead and try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or just any other browser. Now if it does work there, I suggest uninstalling whatever browser you're using and then reinstalling that again.